Case study number 4. Estonia's national blockchain and e-solutions. Becoming e-Estonia. Estonia was the first country in the world to implement blockchain technology on a national basis. It started building up its information society in 1997. At this time, there was no digital information being collected about Estonians, and the general population had neither access to the internet nor devices with which to use it. After years of development, Estonia rose to the forefront of technological advancement as a nation. In 2005, Estonia introduced internet voting in a nationwide election, becoming the first country to do so. By this time, Estonia had also developed its digital identity, e-tax, and e-governance solutions, cyber attacks, and blockchain. On April 27th of 2007, Estonia became the first country to be cyber attacked on a national level. The attacks targeted the websites of Estonian organizations, including the Estonian Parliament, banks, ministries, newspapers, and broadcasters. Most of these attacks consisted of DDoS attacks, ping floods, and spam bots, and targeted entire organizations as well as individuals. Estonia understood that the risk of cyber attacks will always be a part of being an information society, but the nationwide attacks acted as a serious wake-up call to remind Estonia, as well as every other country, how important cybersecurity is. In response to this cyber attack, NATO created a cooperative cyber defense center of excellence in Tallinn, the capital city of Estonia. And Estonia started testing blockchain technology to protect the country against future attacks. Blockchain testing began in 2008, even before the release of the famous white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto that described the concept of Bitcoin and attached the name blockchain to the technology. Since 2012, blockchain has been in use by Estonia to protect their national data, e-services, and smart devices, both in the public and private sectors. E-solutions. Examples of Estonia's e-solutions include the famous e-residency program that allows foreigners to have a digital identity in Estonia, allowing them to access its solutions and even open up a business in Estonia without any problems. Another example is the e-health record system, which was launched in 2008. Over 95% of data generated by hospitals, doctors, and other institutions in the healthcare industry are digitalized and protected by blockchain technology. Every Estonian citizen has their own e-health record, which can be shared with hospitals and personal doctors. This makes Estonian residents the owners of their health records while increasing security and cutting costs. Estonia is the perfect example to illustrate the benefits of blockchain technology, not only from an individual's perspective, but also from the standpoint of a country. The use of blockchain increases the security of the nation's databases, as well as saves billions of euros in costs.